Hey! Hey, kibamba sana wapi nduru wewe? Sweet love.
Yeah. Yeah. Missing someone.
Good morning. How you doing? Quarantine life got us doing madness, yeah? So my sisters and I, we want to do a dance challenge. Mare mare. Ai, kwani lazima usindasho sasa zingine lazima ni update niambie kenye inaendelea. Na si utanilibadili kisha. Hapana, they must see my real face. So anyway, yes, we are doing the mare mare challenge. Linda akisi nipoze hiyo wimbo nitafanya kupata copyright hapa. Hiyo ni wimbo za kwa Facebook. Hadi hiyo unataka kwa internet. Mare tunafanya mare mare, sikia venye wananipigia kelele hao. They don't know I'm their elder sister. They see me with a small body, they think I'll play with them anyway. We're about to do this dance challenge right now and show you what's good, what's up. Oh my goodness, quarantine is supposed to make me add weight. What's happening to my body? Where am I not adding anywhere? It's quarantine day 5. I'm just from cooking kaimati. So the reason why I cooked kaimati is one, I was saving on flour, my all-purpose flour. So I used less flour and I cooked kaimati. So that kaimati is going to take us for around 2 days. Today we're going to have it today and tomorrow, and probably even Sunday. Today is Friday, so Friday, Saturday and Sunday we'll have breakfast. So what do I want to do now? I want to play ajua. I want just to show you quickly how we can just entertain ourselves from okay, so let's go make ajua and play. Okay,
pero no hay
is quarantine life? How is working from home? Just how is everything? So as you can see by the title of the video, today we are doing a grocery haul. So my mom sent over some things yesterday evening, so that is what we are doing a haul of. I've been wanting to do such a video for a very long time, and since my mom sent us things, super grateful for her. God bless you, mother. Yeah, we are doing it. So let's jump right over to the grocery haul, and then we'll see what happens from there. Okay. So number one item that was brought is these potatoes. We already cooked some with rice last night. Okay. And then another thing that was my mama brought was onions. This is going to take us for at least 2 weeks. 2 weeks really? Yeah, for at least 2 weeks. And then we have these vegetables. So now these ones we were supposed to make yesterday night. So we're just going to make them today. I'm just going to show you the final results. And then we have maize flour. So this maize flour, what I plan to do with it is I'm going to mix it with the maize flour and I came from the village with maize flour that is mixed with cassava flour. Okay, so that is what I'm going to use to mix this one so that we can cook ugali with. My sisters love the maize mixed with cassava flour, but in my opinion I think it only tastes good when you eat it with fish, chicken, anything soup. Anyway, so let me just show you another thing that my mother brought. Just a minute. So we have cabbages. This cabbage is going to serve us for a very long time. Yeah. So cabbages, and then there's maize, So this maize, we are going to boil them today. This is what you're going to use for breakfast. You're going to boil this maize today for breakfast. And she also sent rice to us. That is what we cooked last night. I already put it in the rice tin. So yeah, that's it for this haul. Let us cook breakfast and move on.
You can make way, no wonder yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning and I don't know you wanna ride. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Mentaka party, mentaka party, mentaka party, mentaka party, mentaka party. I'm da da di da. I'm stupid in love. I'm da-da-dee-da. Stupid tonight. I'm feeling kinda lonely. Honey.
Good morning. How you doing? We are from Tala Clinic. I'm tired. It's only 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So I want to cook a very big ugali so that we can eat, because the work that we have just done, it's not for tea. This one is ugali kind of work. Anyway, so let's go cook ugali. Bila mtu ananiona? Ina sura. Nitafanya nini ile challenge? Achini kwa nini kama niko hivi? Ndio. Ndio ni zako hapo. Achini. Ndio. Unataka ni kama niko hivi bali saa hizi ndio? Ndio. Hapa tunaweza chukua chini kwa. If I had your number, I'll be forever texting you, talking kikamba. Sometimes I sing things, I don't even know if I'm singing the right thing. Nyakoti better than the left. Oh, nyakoti better than the left. If I was a friend, it would be you. Dun, 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 dun. It would be you. I hear it, Jabe. I hear it, Kairatu, I got your number from your friend. I can eat my way. Nini? Mafanya? Ya, sasa kulia maingia huko mbali ya. Hey, I want to cook a big ugali. A big ugali. We're having lunch for breakfast, and then at lunchtime we'll have breakfast. You feel me? Yeah, that's how healthy eating goes. Quarantine bananas. Kalinda kumbe kuna nyanya ndafika nini nyanya ipe nyanya. Nyanya sasa imeisha. It lasts sana kama toast. Love was a friend. I hear each other. Kaona maliko. Maana napikanga mandazi na chapo hii. Naona maliko kwa hapa chini. Carrot. I got
You kept me great, tokaratane. No wonder that.
Hey, kibamba sana wapi nduru wewe? Sweet love. Nataka mademo wawili kama hapa juu. Mademo wawili wamekamna machali zao Mwimbe machali zanyu sweet love. DJ. Eka pause. Oh my life. Trying to visualize. Atenene, my sweet love. Hey, DJ. Twende kazi. Hey, madam twende kazi. I've been spending the whole of my day. Twende. Twende, madam.
I've been spending all of my life
Trying to visualize your beautiful life. My sweet love. Atenene.
Sweet love.
Hey. Machali. Kata nje ukimbiwa. Love. Hey. Atenene DJ. Pause. Ati I sound a little nene. Madam, I sound a little nene. DJ, eka mziki. Crazy. Ever since you came my way, my life has changed. My sweet love. DJ. Nasinzia nameless. Oh, machali, ini tani yenu wase, ini tani yenu. Tafuta manzi yako. Mwimbie hii song. Machali msinyangushe. Lako. Mshike kwa mkono. Mpeni ndani ya macho. Mpeleke kando. Namwambie DJ. commit a crime and I'll be your defender. DJ, I surrender. Iyo hipster vile imekushika kwa DJ. I wish I could be your shoe. I could have such a beautiful view.